What's good, squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Phil S2K, and today we're gonna be taking off the hardtop, and then after that we're gonna be going to meet up with Jermaine. I've had the hardtop on for a little while now, and I'm kind of getting ready to just be drop top boy again. So let's get this hardtop off. Car's already cleaned up. I didn't video it because you guys see me clean my car 100 times already. So I'm gonna take the hardtop off, and we're gonna be drop top boys today. All right, but look how clean the car looks. Yeah, I know, I did that. So if you want to know what kind of products I use Adams Polishes, all their products, from the car soap to the waxes to everything, and that's how I get this dope shine. So go check out their website if you want to go see what I use. And yeah, man, tell them Phil S2K sent you. So all you gotta do is just take off these three bolts in the hardtop in the back for the latch, and then you're good, man. It comes right out. Taking the hardtop off is actually really not that hard. The hardest part is just putting it on and adjusting it, because you don't want it to have like air leaks. You don't want water to get in, so you always gotta adjust it so that way all the seals are aligned and all the seals are attached and nothing's out of place. Because if you don't, you'll get one, a lot of wind noise, and two, water could definitely leak into your car. With Forbidden, the seal that they give you is super thin in the rear, so I added a bike inner tube so that way it just gives it a little bit more like closure when you're laying down the hardtop on the back. Today's video is brought to you by Thread Beast. Are you tired? Are you tired of going to the mall? Are you tired of not having nothing to wear? Are you tired of not knowing what you're gonna pick out for the next day? Come on, man, Thread Beast got you. What you waiting for? Go get your monthly subscription today, man. Why you playing? I know you want to look fresh. All you gotta do is pick your shoe size, your clothing size, jeans size, all the sizing that you need. You let them know. They'll hook you up with websites you like to shop at the most, what stores you like to shop at the most, and they'll send you some fresh gear monthly. Yes, you heard me right, monthly. Why would you not want that? Why would you not want that? I'm gonna let you see what they sent me, alright? I'm gonna let you see what they sent me, and you tell me what you think. Alright, so let's see what they sent your boy. Alright, so as you see, they came out, gave me nice packaging, right? Okay. Then we got the Thread Beast, nice Thread Beast sticker right here. Okay, they sent me a nice, what is this? YR Young and Reckless t-shirt. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Tie-dye. Ooh, I'm gonna put this on today. Okay, they sent your boy, ooh, a fly-ass button-up. Okay, okay, take this to Florida with me in November. Gang, gang. Okay, they sent me some Super Dry jeans. That's the brand, Super Dry. Okay, fire. Sent me some fire underwear, you know. Your boy likes to have nice underwear, so when the ladies hit me up, they'd be like, ooh, why your underwear so nice? Thread Beast. And they also sent me some socks. Alright? Each packaging comes with different clothing, different things, you could get sneakers, hats, anything. So, go get your monthly subscription. Go tell Thread Beast today. Go at them today. Thread Beast. Phil S2K sent me, alright? Please, let's get back to the video. Ooh, this boy is fly, boy. Yeah, I'm out here, but I'm about to head out to Jermaine's house, see what he's up to. I think he wants to get some like drone shots and stuff like that, so you know your boy got the Ronin. Got to get some Ronin footage for us today. But yeah, let's go. I'm about to actually post the video from yesterday up right now for you guys. Just got to Jermaine's house. He out here got the Banshee. Banshee dirty as hell. already even dropped the top again, baby. That top goes back again. Yeah. Let the interior breathe, man. It needs to breathe. Nah, S2000. Thank you, man. Out here trying to get the camera stable. See, that's not good. Shouldn't swing like that. So you just adjust it. Adjust it back or forward, whichever way. Even though I don't think this level here is that leveled out. So let me see. Hey, hey. Will he make it? We're about to go get some food real quick. Just ordered our food. Now we about to get back in the CB if it's open for me. Boy Mike trying to get that grasshopper.
Might be a praying man.
Yo, the nigga moved his
Look
chair
at that
close,
shit.
You can't stand on that shit.
That shit is nasty.
move for you.
Nigga, when
But
he
what
opened
one
that
you see him,
box,
sir?
in the bathroom.
Is he see him
Opened
look
the
what they
box,
have the
man,
mic?
the fucking rat jumped out. It got out to like, it started running. Yo, B, sit that, what's that? Boom!
Go to get my sack. My bitch text me and ask why I don't text back. My dog got out of prison and went right back. These brand new don't step on my blessings. Some of it daddy, she let me. They don't like how I talk back. Put it out my wrist, so cut a trip.